Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, we have learnt about the main agencies of the United Nations in social studies in my previous video or the lecture. Today we will see about the specialized agencies of the United Nations. There are many, around 12, but the most important we will see, in which the number one is, that is the UNICEF, United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. Its headquarters is in New York. So its functions: number one, protection of children's survival, health and well-being. Number two, provides funds for training personnel including health and sanitation workers, teachers and nutritionists. Number three, to make efforts to prevent diseases like TB, malaria, ice, skin diseases, etc. Number four, provide help to children and mothers in emergencies like calamity, strikes and epidemics. Number five, provide technical supplies, aids, equipment, medicines, pipes and pumps. Number six, to help governments to plan, develop and give best services in fields like maternal and child health, nutrition, clean water and sanitation. So this was the UNICEF. And next is WHO, World Health Organization. Its headquarters is at Geneva, Switzerland. It was founded on 7th April 1948. WHO, World Health Organization. Its functions: number one, it helps countries to improve their health system by building infrastructure, manpower, institutions. Building infrastructure, so proper departments. Number two, WHO gives important drugs needed for medical care, immunization on major diseases like measles, tetanus, TB, polio, etc. Number three, promotes research to cure and prevent diseases, example cancer, heart diseases. Number four, safe drinking water and waste disposal. Number five, it organizes conferences, seminars and training for healthcare personnel from different countries. Publish health journals like Bulletin of the WHO, fighting and preventing diseases, for example malaria. Number 8, to prevent diarrheal diseases, killers of infants and young children, define standards for strength and purity of medicines. Next is UNESCO. UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. Its headquarters is in Paris. It was founded on 4th November 1946. Its functions: in education, the removal of illiteracy, where the people are illiterate. So this organization will work. Removal of illiteracy. So especially they are working in the African countries, Maldives, others also like other countries like Maldives. So education of women and girls, financial help to disabled children, promotion of education, organizing book fairs and exhibitions. In scientific activities, UNESCO in scientific activities organizes scientific seminars, conferences of scientists in various countries. Published journals like Courier promotes research in field of mathematics, physics, geology, etc. Okay. Study of social sciences and combating discrimination, improving status of women, helping youth to solve their problems, improve equality of videos press, also helps to improve communication in developing countries. So very important point last, also helps to improve communication in developing countries. So UNESCO, its functions, last functions in preservation of cultural heritage. So cultural heritage or the culture is very important for a nation and the country. So preservation of cultural heritage, it provides funds, equipments, advice to preserve monuments and other artwork. Again listen, it provides funds, equipments, advice to preserve monuments and other artwork. It protects world inheritance of books, art and rare manuscripts. It encourages artistic creations in literature and fine arts. It promotes cultural missions, exchange programs. Through the medium of films, works on cultural development. So remember that we have read today the different agencies, sub-agencies. These are called the sub-agencies of the United Nations. So four main agencies we read today: UNICEF, WHO, UNESCO. So the three main, UNESCO and others, WHO and UNICEF. So these are the three agencies we read today. Okay. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.